In this video from Device Doctor, you will learn how to enable Wi-Fi Direct on your Epson printer. Print the Wi-Fi Direct report to get the name and password, and then disable Wi-Fi Direct when you no longer need it.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Step 1. Enable Wi-Fi Direct. To enable Wi-Fi Direct on the Epson ET-2810, press and hold the network button together with the Wi-Fi button for about 10 seconds. The Wi-Fi Direct mode will turn on, and the indicator light will confirm that it is enabled. Step 2. Print the Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Press and hold the network button for about 10 seconds until the printer prints a network status report. On this page, find the Wi-Fi Direct section. There you will clearly see the Wi-Fi Direct name, SSID, and the password, which you will use to connect your phone or other devices. Step 3. Disable Wi-Fi Direct. To safely disable Wi-Fi Direct on the Epson ET-2810, press and hold the network and power buttons simultaneously. Keep holding until the printer restarts once. You will see the Wi-Fi indicator lights start blinking, signaling that the Wi-Fi Direct is turning off. Within 10 to 20 seconds, the Wi-Fi Direct mode will be completely disabled. Now you know how to easily enable, print, and disable Wi-Fi Direct on your Epson ET-2810. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more helpful tutorials.